Good morning, Pirates. Today we're going to talk about acids versus bases. So if we look here at water, water's formula is H2O, or if we rewrite it as HOH, and if we were to split this molecule up, you would see that there's hydrogen and hydroxide ions. The hydrogen ion is the acidic part. The OH ion is the basic or alkaline part. Okay, according to Svante Arrhenius, his theory is that an acid is a substance that releases hydrogen ion. An Arrhenius base is a substance that releases OH minus. So for example, you'll see here on the left, our acids have one thing all in common. They have this hydrogen ion. Our bases all would release a hydroxide ion, these OHs. Okay, acids and bases, when they react together, they neutralize one another. So if we look at our example down here, if we take an acid plus a base, the hydrogen and the OH, the hydroxide ion, form HOH, or also known as H2O, water. And the anion from the acid and the cation that's left over from the base make the salt. So for example, down here, HCl we recognize has an H. That makes it our Arrhenius acid. NaOH we recognize has the OH or hydroxide. That makes it an Arrhenius base. So if we add these two together, the H and OH is the same substance as H2O or water. And then we're left with chlorine and sodium. And to form that compound, we go back to the basics, which is you write your cation or metal first, and you look at its charge. Sodium forms a +1 ion. Chlorine forms a -1 ion. So when you crisscross or balance out, you get Na1Cl1. So when you're recognizing this in Quick Quiz 7, remember, if you see an H, it's an acid. If you see an OH, it's a base. If you see no H and no H, for example, NaCl or K2SO4,